Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I am fine. Hope you are well in the blessings of Almighty Allah. I think all of the students are staying at home for the reason of COVID-19. The crisis, world crisis we are facing all over the world as well as all over the country. So our government is trying to decide a revolutionary decision to continue your lesson, to continue your reading activities by online class. So I would like to start my class. Class 10 English second paper. The topic of our class is completing sentences. Completing sentences is the part of sentence which is complete by your sense, by maintaining your rules, grammatical formalities. So now we are enjoying the completing sentences, which is very important part of your grammar text as well as your educational life, to build up your making sentences, making paragraph, making assignments by using such kinds of grammatical formula. Now here is the whiteboard. I have written some more sentences incomplete. So I think all the students clearly enjoying these classes successfully, minutely and attentively. The first one, incomplete sentence, is he is too weak. The first incomplete sentence is he is too weak. He is too weak. That means, I just repeat in Bangla, she etotai ashustho. He is too weak. she etotai ashustho. এখন আমরা বাকি অংশটা অর্থের সাথে সামঞ্জস্য রেখে গ্রামাটিক্যাল ফর্মালিটি মেইনটেইন করে এটাকে কমপ্লিট করব। দ্যাট মিন্স হি ইজ টু উইক, সে এতটাই দুর্বল, হি ইজ টু উইক টু ওয়াক। দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য রুলস ইজ টু টু whenever we find any kinds of word conjunction such as to, then used an adjective, and after that adjective we can use to. This is part of conjunction to. So this is complete sentence. He is too weak to walk. He is too weak to walk. অর্থটা হচ্ছে he is, সে হয় এতটাই দুর্বল যে টু ওয়াক, হাঁটতে পারে না। There is a sense of negative form maintaining after the sentences. Negative sense clearly that he is too weak. সে এতটাই দুর্বল যে টু ওয়াক, সে হাঁটতে পারে না। There is similar sentence is that here I have written. He is so weak that he cannot walk. That means this is a form I would like to transfer into others form by using so that, to and the so dash that. This is one kind of sentence which I complete here. He is too weak to walk. He is too weak to walk. This is negative form is that he is so weak. She etotai durbol. I just repeat you in Bangla. He is so weak. He is so weak. She etotai durbol that he cannot walk. He is so weak that he cannot work. Clear, my dear student, my dear learners? I think you are enjoying this class very successfully. And the next one is, I read not only poem. I read not only poem. I translate into Bangla. I read not only poem. আমি বাংলা শুধু আমি কবিতাই পড়ি না. Not only poem. Not only poem. That means here they used as not only and then used a word, and then after that but also is already used similarly, grammatical systematically. Not only but also. So I read not only poem but also summary. I read not only poem but also summary. Okay, my dear students? That means আমি শুধু কবিতাই পড়ি না, আমি সারসংক্ষেপ পড়ি, গল্প সংগ্রহ পড়ি. I read not only poem but also summary. Clear, my dear students? And then next one, third one is Ruma is so honest. Ruma is so honest. Ruma is so honest. I repeat in Bangla. Ruma এতটাই সৎ যে so honest that can't speak lie. Ruma is so honest that Ruma এতটা সৎ যে she can't tell a lie. সে মিথ্যা বলতে পারে না. Already I have discussed three kinds of sentences which is complete already. As the next one, fourth one is as he was poor. As he was poor, the translate in Bangla যেহেতু as he was poor, যেহেতু সে ছিল গরিব. As he was poor, যেহেতু সে গরিব ছিল. That means the next one is, next complete sentence is buy a car. That means as he was poor, যেহেতু সে গরিব, he can't buy a car. সে তার গাড়ি কিনতে পারে না. Already clear, my dear students? Have there any problem? I think you haven't facing any problem. That means this is the translate into Bangla. As যেহেতু he is poor, সে এতটা গরিব, he cannot buy a car. সে একটা গাড়ি ক্রয় করতে পারে না. Okay, my dear students? And then next one is though he is honest. Though he is honest. Though the meaning is যদিও. যদিও. Though he is honest. যদিও সে হয় সৎ. Though he is honest. যদিও সে হয় সৎ. The next one, which is, have there any answer who can complete these sentences? Though he is honest, যদিও সে সৎ, he can't maintain formality. That means, though he is honest, though he is honest, as he cannot maintain formalities, সে কোন ধরনের মেন্টালিটিস ফর্মালিটি মেইনটেইন করতে পারে না. That is, we have already discussed 6 kinds of sentences which we complete here. Now, it is time to discuss your group work. I would like to discuss these classes in shortest group of all of you, 5 or 6 members, such as this about this matter, about this complete topics, completing sentences. You have just 5 minutes. Okay, thank you, my dear students. You have already participated successfully. Now this is time to give you homework. I think you are maintaining your social distance at home and maintain this class, online class, and take your homework by using such kinds of grammatical formula and complete these sentences at home, and see you next time by giving homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.